Defining the Robotic Process Automation (RPA) development considerations in the requirement gathering document is what Logix's finance department is doing now. The requirement gathering document defines the RPA design considerations in a sequential format as elicited from various stakeholders. This would then be the primary input for the development team to enable them to develop flawless automated process during the subsequent RPA development and testing phase of the RPA project lifecycle. Let's find out more about this document and see how it is helping Logix capture the required information. Requirement gathering document comprises sections listed here in the table of content. First, you need to define the objective and scope of the requirements here. Next, list the applications that require bot access. The applications listed here as an example may not be the same as in your RPA project, differing from project to project. On the next page, in the Functional Design Requirements section, list the various tasks to be automated within a process. As done in this example, include the name and description of each task along with their functional requirements. Here's another example of how to clearly define the steps, outcomes, supporting comments, and design considerations for the task. Note that these tasks that you outline in this section are process-specific and again depend on the requirements of your project. Next, in the fifth section, list the exceptions that could occur during the process and also how the concerned stakeholders will be notified. This is an example of the type of exceptions that may occur and how they are handled. In the sixth section, Business Continuity Plan, BCP, you should break down and list the activities being performed by the automation, explaining what occurs if an automation is disrupted. The information that you enter here is specific to the process and its automation tasks. Next, in Section 7, list the supplementary documents for quick reference. Make sure you link these appendix titles to the corresponding appendix of this requirement gathering document. In Section 8, list the important terms used in this document. Outline their definitions and/or their corresponding expansions. Next, in Section 9, provide the contact details of the document controller. Users may contact the document controller using these details in case he or she wants to discuss any queries, concerns, or changes, or provide suggestions on how to improve this document. And here add the version details of the current requirement gathering document. Lastly, in Appendix 1, capture information about the manual steps involved in the process before it is automated. And in Appendix 2, capture the validation rules for the automation along with the detailed task descriptions. That's how organizations like Logix utilize the requirement gathering document to detail out the related information and share with the development team.